The sixth type is called palatal type. So these letters are 鸡, qi, xi. So the air actually comes out smoothly right above your tongue. Again, 鸡, qi, xi. Letter J in Chinese is called 鸡. It sounds like J sound from Jeep in English. And the word up here is called 鸡蛋, which means egg. Letter Q in Chinese is called qi. And when it's in a combination, the sound sounds like in cheese, ch sound. So the word up here is called 七, which means 7 in Chinese. Letter X in Chinese is called shi. And when it's in the combination, it sounds like sheep, sh sound. So the word up here is called 西, which means west.